What is an axosomatic synapse? A synapse between the axon of one neuron and the soma of another neuron. What is an axodendritic synapse? A synapse between the axon of one neuron and the dendrite of another neuron. What is a multipolar neuron? A neuron with one axon and multiple dendrites, most common in the CNS. What is a bipolar neuron? A neuron with one axon and one dendrite, found in special sensory organs, such as retina, olfactory epithelium. What is a unipolar neuron? A neuron with a single process that splits into two branches, mainly found in sensory neurons of the PNS. Main cells of the nervous system: neurons and neuroglia. What is the name of the connection between neurons? Synapse. What is the general function of the nervous system? To receive, process, and respond to internal and external stimuli to maintain homeostasis. Which organelles can't be found inside dendrites? Nucleus and axon hillock. Which parts of the neuron can be found in the white matter? Myelinated axons. Which parts of the neuron can be found in the gray matter? Neuron cell bodies, dendrites, unmyelinated axons, and synapses. What is the structure and function of myelin? Myelin is a lipid-rich sheath that surrounds axons and increases the speed of nerve impulse conduction. What are myelin-producing cells in the CNS and PNS? In the CNS, there are oligodendrocytes, semicolon. In the PNS, there is the Schwann cells. Name and function of different neuroglia in the CNS. Astrocytes. They're responsible for supporting the blood-brain barrier and nutrient regulation. The oligodendrocytes produce myelin. The microglia are responsible for immune defense, such as macrophages, and the epidermal cells are for line ventricles and produce and circulate CSF. CSF is also cerebral spinal fluid. Name and function of different neuroglia in the PNS. Schwann cells are to myelinate axons, and satellite cells are to support neuron cell bodies in the ganglia. Where is the visual reflex center? Superior colliculi of the midbrain. Where is the auditory center located in the brain? Temporal lobe, primary auditory cortex, and inferior colliculi, auditory reflexes. Where is the speech center located in the brain? Broca's area in the left frontal lobe.